In this video I would like to show you something about the variables, a very short video. So in the previous we created this state machine, and maybe especially with light or with motion you don't want to go walk around your house just to detect motion and so you can test it. So for this, so now we have the boolean, and yes, you can switch it and it will change. But in order to use Home Assistant to do that, you can also mock a value. In the previous video you saw we created a value, and whatever value you create you can add mocking options. You don't have to, but you can. So in this case I created an on and off, and you can also leave it empty. You can have a free text value in the mocking option. I will show you. So for now the input, if you open it, now you have the option of mocking a value. So now the value is on. You can now select off and say, okay, we want to mock this value. Now you see that the real value is still on, that's in Home Assistant, but the value is set to off. So now you can test this. Go switch to on, and that it's off, you see in Home Assistant is still on. But for the state machine it will always use the value, and despite if it's real value or a mocked value. In scripting you have the option to test if the value is mocked or not, so it's mocking a variable. So if you do this, and I think it's so it's bool 1. So if you go to intermediate, bool 1, it's true. We go back and say stop mocking the value. It's false. So this is easy for testing.